Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a clothing website on Squarespace. First, navigate to Squarespace and select an e-commerce template that suits your brand's aesthetic. There are dozens of professionally designed options available. Next, choose a business plan, which typically costs around $23 per month when billed annually, to unlock essential selling features. Finally, connect your custom domain name to establish a professional online presence for your clothing brand. Now, let's add your clothing products. Begin by uploading several high-resolution images for each item, showcasing different angles and details. Craft compelling product descriptions that highlight materials, fit, and unique selling points. Be sure to include all necessary information like fabric composition and care instructions. Then, set your pricing, manage inventory levels, and add size and color variations to give customers plenty of choices. With your products added, it's time to customize your store's design. Adjust your website's color palette and fonts to match your brand identity. Design an engaging homepage that prominently displays your best-selling collections or new arrivals. You can easily drag and drop elements to create a unique layout. Don't forget to integrate your social media links, allowing customers to connect with your brand across various platforms and boost engagement. Finally, let's set up payments and launch your store. Connect secure payment processors such as Stripe or PayPal to ensure smooth transactions for your customers. Squarespace typically charges a 3% transaction fee on sales for some plans, so review your plan details. Carefully review your shipping options and tax settings to ensure everything is accurate. Once everything is perfect, hit the Publish button and start selling your amazing clothing collection to the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.